Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be changing the license plate lights on the Sorento. Currently we've got that kind of orangish yellow halogen light, and we want to go ahead and upgrade that to the bright white LED because that's pretty much what we have on the rest of the car. So let's go ahead and see how we're going to do that. So the first thing that we'll need to do is take a detailing tool. You can also use a flathead screwdriver, but you'll want to make sure that you put some tape, just like some painter's tape, around the edges of the light housing there so that you don't scratch up your paint. But a detailing tool, a little plastic wedge, will work just as good. So we're gonna go over here and stick that under the side of the light, and then there are two butterfly clips, I believe they're called, that are holding the housing in there on each side. So you're just gonna push in on this side and it'll come out, and then the other side will just slide right out. Then you're going to take and pinch this little connector right here to release the wires. You've got your housing, and you can go ahead and take the bulb out of here. It should just come right out. And then I believe this is a T10 or a T15. I'll put it in the description down below. You're just going to slide that right in there, make sure it goes all the way in and that it's centered. Then you're going to put that right back into the housing, and you'll see that one side on the housing is a little bit longer, so you're not going to put this in incorrectly. It'll only go back in one way. Then you're going to make sure it clicks, and then we're going to put the wiring back in. Again, all this is going to click into place so you'll know that it's in there correctly, and then you'll just feed one side of this in and pop the other end, and that's it. Alrighty, and it's just that simple to change these lights out on the Sorento and get that bright white LED look. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the install, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be leaving a link in the description for some of these lights if you want to do this to your Sorento. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.